In this short video, I'm going to share the new AI features of WebStarts. Before getting started with AI, go to the dashboard and update your site information. Next, open up the editor and select a text box. You'll notice an AI icon attached when a text box is selected. Clicking this icon will allow you to get ideas for your text, rephrase, shorten, or change its tone. Select the text that best fits your need by clicking Use This. AI makes search optimization easier than ever. Click the button to the right of each field and AI generates optimized page titles, keywords, and a description. Creating blog posts is easier than ever too. Click the AI button, enter a title, and your post is generated. Search engine optimization is automatically done as well. Click the Insert Image icon and select the AI Images tab to generate images for your post. Describe the image you want to generate. With the image generated, click it to add it to your post. Same can be done when adding an image in the editor as well. That's it for this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to find out when we release even more AI features.